We hear about cyclones in our day-to-day life. Let's find out how cyclone formation takes place in the shortest way possible. Globe is divided into 3 zones based on vertical sunlight effect. First is tropical zone, which is between 23.5 degree north latitude to 23.5 degrees south latitude. In simple term, it is from this line in north to this line in the south. Second, temperate zone, where heating effect of sun is less effective, as sun rays are not perpendicular, which lies from this line till the boundary of tropics in north, and in south from this line again to the boundary of tropic in south. Then third, polar zone, which is left out part of the globe. Cyclones also have 2 types, that is tropical and temperate. Indian cyclones are tropical cyclones, as India lies in tropical region. Now let's understand its mechanism. During summer, temperature on water is more than 27 degrees Celsius, which creates low pressure on ocean bodies. Low pressure means air above the water gets heated and becomes light, so moves upward. In simple words, this region has less air and therefore pressure is low. Air always moves from high pressure to low pressure due to pressure gradient and tries to fill the vacuum. Therefore, low pressure on water attracts air from adjoining high pressure areas. Intensified low pressure will attract air at high speed towards the center. This creates swirling motion and cyclone is formed. Cyclones forming over Bay of Bengal reaches to eastern India in the influence of planetary winds. In the same way, Arabian Sea cyclones move toward Gulf nations. Rarely they hit on western India. The latest example of such is Cyclone Vayu, which reached on Gujarat coast. Due to these planetary winds, cyclone does not hit Mumbai. Cyclones are classified based on their speed. Category 1, 90 to 125 km per hour. Category 2, 125 to 164 km per hour. Category 3, that is 165 to 224 km per hour. Category 4, 225 to 279 km per hour. And Category 5, that is more than 280 km per hour. 3, 4 and 5 are the severe level cyclones. Recent Amphan is Category 3, wind speed 185 km per hour. Broadly, in Indian Ocean, we call this mechanism as cyclone. In the region of Japan, called as typhoon. In USA, hurricanes, and in Australia, Willy Willy. I have discussed in my earlier videos about how we designate name to particular cyclone. In current part, we discussed about tropical cyclones. I have explained this very quickly without adding more technical terms. There are many more factors assigned to it. For brief information, you can visit our channel Savarkar IAS Study Circle, where you will find geography playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button.